The truth nobody tells you. Math doesn't make you dumb. The way you've been taught math, that's what's dumb. Here's the cheat code nobody shares. You can study math so fast, so effectively, it'll feel like you're hacking your own brain. So grab your pen, ditch the fear, and get ready to become the person who says, Math? Oh, that's easy. Let's make math illegal levels of easy. Why you struggle your brain isn't broken. Real talk. You don't hate math, you hate feeling stuck. You hate spending 2 hours on one question. You hate forgetting formulas after a day. You hate exams making you feel dumb. But here's what's happening. Math is a skill, not a subject. You wouldn't expect six-pack abs without training, right? Math works the exact same way. Train it properly and you'll crush it. Step 1. The anti-overload rule. Tackle one topic a day. The number one mistake? Cramming 5 chapters in one sitting. Focus on one chapter per day. First 30 minutes equals concept clearing. Watch, read, or take notes. Next 45 minutes equals practice basic problems. Last 30 minutes equals tackle hard examples. You don't study math. You train math in focused sessions. Small daily wins equals massive speed by exam day. Step 2. Active recall plus spaced repetition equals memory glue. Science fact. Your brain remembers better when it struggles to recall information. 1. Close your notebook and try solving from memory. 2. Review the formula after attempting. 3. Space it out. Review the same topic after 1, 3, and 7 days. This is called active recall plus spaced repetition, the fastest way to make math stick for months. Step 3. Problem-solving pyramid to avoid getting stuck. When you're stuck on math, do this. Level 1. Example problems. Understand solution flow. Level 2. Easy questions. Build momentum. Level 3. Medium problems. Train stamina. Level 4. Exam-style difficult problems. Lock in confidence. If you jump straight to hard problems, your brain burns out. Build it like a pyramid equals fast learning, less stress. Step 4. The no procrastination timer. Focus hack. Math procrastination is real. Solution? Set a 10-minute quick start timer. Tell yourself, I'll just do 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your brain is warmed up. You'll want to keep going. This is called the momentum hack. It destroys procrastination before it starts. Step 5. Daily math mini routine, the 1-hour rule. If you only do one thing from this video, do this. 20 minutes equals concept or formula review. 30 minutes equals problem-solving sprint. 10 minutes equals review previous mistakes. 1 focused hour a day, you will finish your syllabus in record time and actually remember it. This routine is your math power hour. Step 6. Exam speed mode. Train your brain under pressure. To avoid freezing in exams. Practice timed sessions every week. Solve full mock papers once a week. Track accuracy plus time taken. This exam pressure simulation makes your brain comfortable under stress. You stay calm when others panic. Step 7. Math mindset switch. Identity shapes success. Winners don't say, I'm bad at math. They say, I'm improving every day. Mistakes are part of progress. I solve problems even when it's hard. Your identity drives your effort. Start acting like a math genius, and you'll become one. Every mistake equals proof you're leveling up. You're closer than you think. You're not hopeless. You've just been untrained. But with this blueprint, you're about to be the person who finishes math practice in half the time, gets questions right, and feels zero fear on exam day. Your future self is going to thank you for starting today. Let's build that math powerhouse brain together. Drop a comment. Which math chapter are you dominating this week? And are you ready to make math feel illegal? Because after this, there's no going back. Subscribe, like, and let's make studying easy, fast, and powerful together.